Ever get tired of the same old ride in GTA 5 Online? Changing your personal vehicle is super easy and can be done in a few simple steps, like finding your garage. First, you'll need to locate your garage. This can be a property you purchased or a safe house. Most properties will display a garage icon on the map, making them easy to find. Once you reach your garage, step inside. Make sure you are on the designated spot to access your parked vehicles inside. You will see all the vehicles you've stored at this property. Now for the fun part, selecting your new ride. Browse through the vehicles displayed in your garage. They are typically arranged side by side, allowing you to easily visualize your choices. To choose a vehicle, cycle through the options by pressing the button or key indicated on your screen. You can scroll through by selecting the vehicle you want by targeting it directly. Once you have selected your desired car, press the button indicated to enter the vehicle. You can now drive it out of the garage and explore Los Santos in your new vehicle. If you want to customize your new ride, head over to Los Santos Customs. There, you can change the paint job, add spoilers, customize the engine, and much more. Explore Los Santos and enjoy your vehicle. Now you know how to easily change your personal vehicle in GTA 5 Online.